Hello and welcome to my channel. Spring is in the air, and that means that we're turning our gaze towards Easter and Easter crochet patterns, and that's what I want to show you today. I've scoured the internet and I found these cute crochet patterns on Amazon. So let's take a look. This first one is a cute bunny in his little blue overalls that do come off. I show you this. You can see the front with the cute little green pocket and the two little buttons, and the back where his little tail pops out. But you can also undress him and you have just a white bunny or whatever color you want to crochet him in. Here he is again. And again with his little overalls on. And again. Isn't he cute? This next one is also very cute. And she is also a dress-up bunny. And a girl bunny, I suppose. With all the with all the pink. This dress comes off, as does this jacket. I love these buttons and I love this little heart-shaped nose. How cute is that? Let's take a closer look. This is her sitting, and look at these lovely big paws. I love them. And her little eyelashes. That's the word. Eyelashes. And another shot from a little bit from above. She is so cute. Now, this is another cute, actually a cute set of bunnies. Bunnies with hats. And the bunny itself is quite adorable, but the hat just completely finishes the look. There's a brown bunny, and there's also a white bunny. And I love the little hats. They do look a little bit like the hats that the female cops in Holland wear. Without the bow and the little flower on them, but the same sort of shape, which is fun. Look at the little buttons on their butts, and look at the little fabric on their ears. Those are very nice little finishing touches. And there they are again, sitting in amongst the Easter eggs. And look at their little butts, so cute. This couple of Easter bunnies, they do look a little bit like mice, so you may want to adjust the ears a little bit so they don't open up so much. But they are very cute. I like the way the nose is embroidered on there, catching the whiskers under the yarn. A boy one and a girl one, or one with a overalls and one with a colorful dress, and they seem like a very happy little pair. They're very cute. I like the color coordinated outfits that they have. There's the one with the overalls and the one with the dress. Now this is a very cute little hat for your favorite child to wear. It's a bunny hat with big floppy ears. I think I only have one photo of this, but you can see the little carrot on there, and you can sort of close it around under the chin. It's very, very cute. Do I have anything left? Oh yeah, there's some chickens, little chickies, little Easter chickies, so cute. Traditional colors and yellow and very, very cute. They will decorate your house for Christmas, for Easter, perfectly. And here's another look at them. And we're back to the bunny. So this is what I wanted to show you, and I wish you a happy crocheting for Easter. Want to see more crochet patterns? Check out my other videos. And if you want to see the patterns of all these wonderful crochet Easter bunnies and chickies, check out the links in the description. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.